Hello. I haven't really introduced myself on really my TikTok or YouTube. This is my MX-5 2011. It's a little beat up, it's a little old, but it's still a very fun car. Still very capable. It's got the Quantum Rally livery on it right now because it's really windy out here. Because there is an event on Friday, well, starting Friday, ending on the 26th, I believe. I think it is the 26th. Yeah, I just want to introduce myself, talk about a few things. I don't have very many modifications done to the car, just as of right now. I got wheels done. I get a big brake kit on the front. It is the 4-pot Willwoods from Flying Miata. I do have plans to get the rears done. For the wheel specs, if I can remember correctly, which I might get this wrong. Let me look at the door sticker really quick. I know my specs are really close to the door sticker, but it's not the same specs. Let's see if I can find this real quick. Give me just a second. Okay, so yeah, I'm running for the wheel. It's 17 by 8 plus 35, I think. I went with this setup because I wanted something that was a little wider, but I didn't want to have to roll the fenders, and this was really the closest I could get to, a wider setup without having to make any modifications to anything under the fenders. And honestly, I think it's pretty good fitment. Honestly, it clears. It doesn't rub on anything, even at full lock. Wheel size or tire size is the same as stock, 2L5 45 R17. Because just wanted a little bit of stretch, just to be sure I didn't have to make any modifications to the fender. It doesn't look the best. It's not in the best shape physically, well, cosmetically. Clear coat, kind of bad in that area. Some areas on the roof, that's fine. No, it's not crazy bad. Yeah, I mean, I've had this car for going on 5 years now. I think it's been 5 years, maybe going on 6 years. I don't know exactly. This guy's over here playing a guitar. It almost sounded like McGee for a second. But I've had this car for 5 years going on, I think. Honestly, it hasn't really given me too much of a headache. It's been mostly reliable so far. Some notable mentions: when I first got the car, the rear struts went out. Well, they were already out, so every time I go over a slight bump or slight hill, I'd bottom out, and it sounded like the back of the car was just slamming. It was terrible. But I got those replaced. I'm on coils now. They're Tane coilovers. I don't remember exactly which ones I got. I want to say the Street Bases Z's with the was it 16-way dampening? I can't remember. I gotta look it up. That's another modification I got. Yeah, I mean, they're pretty good. They're pretty solid. I've had them on for about a year now. Haven't had any problems with them yet. They're not really corroding either, so that's good. That's a big one because I live in Indiana. When it snows, they salt the grounds a lot. There's always salt and shit on the bottom of the car. For them not to be rusting and for how cheap they are, I think that's pretty good build quality in my opinion. What else? Oh yeah, I just recently replaced my exhaust headers. I was having an issue with the cat. The cat inside of the header had went bad. It was giving me a check engine light. I still have the check engine light because I'm waiting on the company that I got the new headers from to send me a tune. Yeah, it came with a tune. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the company, but BBR GTI, they have a what they call the 180 conversion kit. Pretty much, it's a 4-to-1 exhaust or 4-to-1 stainless steel exhaust header. Free flow, a lot more free flowing when you get the one without the cat. They do offer one with a cat, but I chose catless because, I mean, you want the. This guy's pretty good. I want the tone, and I want a little bit more volume and better power gains. So, I mean, the kit comes with CO2 extension cable, obviously the header, and it's supposed to come with a tune. It came with the little flashed OBD2 thing. Yeah, I got it installed. That took 2 days. It was very stressful. It sucked. But I got it in the car. I got a new gasket on there. We're pretty good. Pretty good so far. I'm just waiting on the tune. That's it. Hopefully they can get it to me before the event. If not, then I mean, fuck it, I guess. I'm going without the tune. It drives. I just still have a check engine light, which not too bad, I guess. What else can I talk about? Oh yeah, LED fog lights. I did that fairly early on when I got the car. AC doesn't work because race car things. I was gonna play. I was working on getting that replaced. No, I wasn't. I was planning on getting it replaced before the rally because it's really hot down south around this time of the year. I went on the Quantum Rally last year, and let me tell you, that was fucking shitty. That was terrible, honestly. The hottest part of it was on the racetrack in Kentucky. Nothing but concrete. The sun is just cooking the concrete. The heat is radiating up off the concrete and baking you inside of this black leather interior. I have no AC. All I had was fucking spray bottle full of warm water, and it was barely making the cut. But I mean, it worked. Yeah. Don't have the time really or the money to do replace fix the AC right now. I know what the issue is, so I mean, sometime after the event, I will get to working on that. What else do I got to say about this thing? Honestly, oh yeah, I got tail lights. You guys can't really see them because you guys are over there. I'll probably get you guys a shot and overlay it in the video. Probably not though. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. But yeah, I mean, I'm trying to keep this fairly quick. It's probably been longer than I originally wanted it to. But I mean, I don't know how much power it's, making right now, but on paper, back in 2011, this car was making 160 horsepower. Now I'm probably making like 120. Who knows? I don't know. But so far, the car's been fun. It's been pretty good. It is an auto. Yes, I know. Why would I get an auto MX-5? Because my other car is manual, but it's broken right now. That's why I got an auto, because I don't have to worry about, clutches going out. And also city driving, because I live in the city, unfortunately. Not a big city, but the city. And there's enough traffic for me not to want to go 1-2 all day. That car will be fixed soon. You guys are gonna be introduced to that car rather soon. It is the power retractable hardtop. In my opinion, that's the way to go. It is a little bit heavier, but it looks a little better in my opinion. But yeah, honestly, I did have the appearance package on here, but unfortunately, with my car being as low as it is, and Indiana roads being the way that they are, nice. The front bumper, I can't even remember what happened. The front bumper wasn't even due to a pothole. It was due to sorry. It was due to somebody leaving a construction worker, somebody leaving a cone at dead center in the middle of the road. It was raining. I didn't see it till I got right up on it. I was going probably about 50 miles per hour. I didn't have time to slow down. Ran over the cone, ripped the front bumper front lip straight off. I was like, that's crazy. It's crazy. It's tough. I couldn't save it. It was pretty bad, pretty far gone. And then I also had the rear diffuser from the appearance package. That also got ripped off. That was due to a construction zone. Surprisingly, wasn't a pothole, but Indiana roads sometimes get really weird with, like, I wouldn't say elevation changes, but like they're kind of like wavy. So I hit a dip and the back end, this was before I got my coilovers. Back end came down a little low, struts were bad, bottomed out, ripped the diffuser off. So I pretty much don't have the appearance package anymore. Mostly, kind of just have the side skirts. I don't even know if that was a thing for the appearance package. I think it was. I think it was side skirts, the front lip, and the rear diffuser. But it is what it is. I'm gonna get those replaced sometime. They're just not really on the top of my list right now because I don't really care. But yeah, I mean, this thing performs, honestly. Obviously, it's not fast in a straight line, but it does work around the corners. I've kept up with some crazy things, honestly. Even in a straight line, I'd say I've kept up surprisingly with some pretty powerful cars. It really surprised me last rally, honestly. But yeah, I mean, it's just a quick little intro. Car is dirty right now. I might go wash it, honestly. I might take you guys with me to go wash it. But yeah, I mean, this is what we're working with right now. Yeah.